Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay, students. Now I'll start the discussion. So I hope in the previous session, we started with operators. How many types of operators are there? 6 types of operators are there. Please tell me the operators once. 6 or 7 now? 7. So one is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, now membership operators, identity operators. Now going on bitwise operators. Okay. In the bitwise operators, if you come to that, we already said how many bitwise operators are there? 6. One is bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise OR operator, bitwise AND operator, bitwise complement operator, bitwise XOR. Right, students? Good. And we already almost completed the first 4. Now we are entering into what? Bitwise complement operator. Let us start the bitwise complement operator here. So this is also one of the most useful one, and most of the people will ask it's internal part of it. Let me start the discussion about bitwise complement operator. So what exactly syntax is? I'll write the syntax, students, so you just observe it. So I'm writing the syntax. Carefully follow, students. Now I'm writing syntax. Variable name is equal to complement operator is that symbol, you observe it. Assignment operator is equal to the symbol which is available. This is a symbol which is having. This is available because one student asked in the last batch, sir, where is that symbol is available in the keyboard? Where is the symbol is available in the keyboard? It is available. Of course, it's not a question because that student asked. On the top of it, below escape symbol, ESC symbol, this is available. You press that with what? Shift, that symbol you press it. And next is called what? Value. I am writing. So value, this is a syntax. This is a syntax what we have. Now it's a time to see, students, what exactly this operator will work. How this operator will work. You look at. So the bitwise complement operator, in the bracket, the symbol of that will invert the bits, will invert the binary bits. Are you able to follow me? What do you mean by inverting the bits? Now I am writing inverting the bits are nothing but inverting the bits. I'll write the process of inverting the bits are nothing but one becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. That is called inverting the bits. Now example, I will go for it. This is a process. You see any website, this is only available. And no student understand that answer. And you see in any website, and I am going to give you the clarity here. Let us follow this carefully. Because this type of question compulsory every interviewer will ask. Example, you watch it. Go to the, and I'll give you for this one formula also I want to tell you. What is that? Complement of, what is the formula? Formula for complement of value is equal to is equal to, I'm writing students, is equal to minus of value plus 1. If an interior MCQ is coming, you just immediately go for what? Minus of what? Value plus 1, you say. What is the meaning of it? I will explain with a reverse engineering technique. Do you know reverse engineering? Do you know or not? If you say like that, I will explain to you. See that Covishield, Covaxin, which one is the best? Huh? How do you prove that? So they are going to taking any vaccination is coming, they will start proving from reverse engineering process. Reverse engineering. When something is coming, friend, when something is coming, they don't apply the reverse engineering. When something is newly coming, they start working from its bottom place onwards. That's called reverse engineering. And that should don't want to say that you don't want to worry about it. Don't tell that the Covaxin and Covishield kind of thing, because actually this is a statistical approach. Statistical approach this is. When the projects are coming in real time with maintenance or something, sometimes we will apply reverse engineering process. It is a software engineering technique. Okay. Coming to the point of it, examples. What is example here? Try to follow. A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Now, B is equal to, variable name is equal to complement of A. Complement of A. Print of B, I'll write it. Print of B, what is the answer? Come on, tell me. Come on, students. Value of B. Value of B is equal to comma B. What is the answer, ma? Minus 11. Minus 11 is an answer. Minus 11 is an answer. I hope you are following that. Getting? I'll explain that. I'll come to the point back. I'll talk about some proofs and all. Everything I'll explain. Until you understand, I'll explain. And still, even if I explain, you will not understand. That is a different story. And you'll check whether you'll understand or not. Now see that A is equal to 10. B is equal to complement of A. Now I am writing what? Value of what? B is equal to comma B. I will write it. What is an answer? Minus 11. A is equal to some 35. And B is equal to what I am writing? Complement of A. Print of what? Value of B. What is an answer? Minus. Very good. Minus 36. Next answer. A is equal to minus 101. Minus 101. What is the value of B? Minus. Huh? Come on, answer please. Actually, this is very simple. Minus of what? A plus 1. Minus of what is the value? Minus 101 plus 1. What is the answer? Minus of minus 100. Minus into minus is plus. What is the answer now? 100. So, 100. Are you following? No. It is not equal to not operator. Somebody else may be saying, yesterday some student said, not operator. Is it called as not operator? No. So, not of A. Not of A. You say not of A. What is happening? False. Because A is called what? Non-zero value. Non-zero value is called what? True. Not of A is called what? False. False is different. 100 is different. So, students in the online, I hope you are following me. This type of answer I will carry here. So, value of B is coming like this. Value of A is coming like this. So, I hope you are understanding this type of answer. Okay, students. Now, how this is coming, I just want to go for some reverse engineering process. I want to go for it. So, if you are able to understand, you try to understand, try to become a understanding student. Don't try to be a formula student. A plus B whole square formula everybody knows. But the proof of that only few people knows. So as on today, industry will ask you only what? Proofs. So no exams, nothing is there. Now I'm going to start about this process. Shall we start up? Let's come to the one small diagrammatic format. How this will work? Now I am explaining. So you are safe with formula you are applying. You are saying any big number is there, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, complement of A. What is the answer? Minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5 is an answer. We are safe. If MCQ is coming, we'll keep a tick mark for that corresponding number and we'll get the marks. But how this proof? Now I'm talking about complement operator, internal working of, internal process of what? Bitwise complement operator. Bitwise complement operator. So I'm going to take students like this. Understand, guys, how simple it is? Now I'm going to take up internal process of bitwise complement operator. Now I'm going to take up. So this is take. Now I'm going to take the value called what? A is equal to 10. Now I'm writing here what? What is the value of A, students? What is the value of A? Binary you take it. 10 is okay, binary. Now you take it as what? 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. What is this 1 0 1 0? Only 4 bits. If I take it, what is that? 8 bits. I'll take it as what? 0 0 1 0 0. If I take it as 16 bit, I'll take it as what? Some more zeros I will take it. Some more zeros I will take it. And this is going to be the 16-bit register. But all these zeros, I don't want to take it. I will take only what? 1 1 1 0 1 0. Now I am writing B is equal to, what is that? Complement of what? A. B is equal to complement of A. What is this is going to work with? Complement. Complement means what? Inverting the bits, I said. What are the inverting the bits? Come on, mom. 0 1 0 1. 0. Inverting the bits or not? We are following what? Inverting the bits. I am writing here. Already I wrote it. Inverting the bits. Inverting the bits process I already told you. 0 becomes 1. 1 becomes 0. So in this case, what is happening? This is becoming what? 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 1. 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 1. That is called what? Inverting the bits. Now generally, this is what even any website you take it, they will be giving this. They are saying that this is a value called minus 11, they are saying. Is it a minus 11 now? No. Generally, you take any student who is available, they'll say it is a 5. But answer is 5 is coming up. No, what is an answer? Minus 11 is coming. So, I told already in the class about this operator. In further some applications are coming. In further these 3 related operators I am going to explain with some application in the further classes. When should I apply complement operator? When shifting towards left, when shifting towards right. In further some 3 examples I will teach. That time you will come across this. Once again this part will be coming across. Today you are learning about how this is working. So 0 1 1 1, which is a result, any student if you take it or any person if you take it, they will expect a result is called what? 5 they will expect, but it is not 5. It is called what? It is a result of what? Minus 11. How this is minus 11? How do you prove that? How do you prove that? Which is called what? Minus 11. That is my primary responsibility here. This is my primary responsibility here. Now I will explain proof of that. Proof. I'm going to start the proof of it. So what are you taking now? In our computer science, what are the numbers are coming in front of you? Positive numbers are coming. Next is called what? Negative numbers are coming. Carefully listen, students. Online students, carefully listen, guys. Positive numbers are coming. Negative numbers are coming. How positive numbers are stored in the memory of the computer? in the form of binary. How negative numbers are stored in the computer? Also in the form of what? Binary. But negative numbers will not be stored as it is in the form of binary. That negative numbers will be converting into binary by performing one's complement and then two's complement. One process is there, students. And this is the most important general knowledge to every computer science student. This is the most important general knowledge to every computer science student. Let us understand what is this positive numbers and negative numbers. In any computer programming language, in our memory of the computers, always negative numbers are stored. Negative numbers are stored in the form of two's complement of a positive number. Two's complement of a positive number. I mean, I am proving that this 0, 1, 0, 1 is called what? Minus 11. So minus 11 is called what actually? Negative number of what? 11. 11 is a positive, na? What is that 11 negative? So how do you get the minus 11? How do you get it now? You have to get it. Two's complement of this 11 you need to find. What is two's complement? How to get it? Two's complement, if you want to find out, you have to get it what? One's complement you need to get it. What is one's complement? What is two's complement? Finally, what is that I am going to say. Suppose I am going to take 5. What is the negative number of 5? Minus 5. What is the minus 5 and 5 is actually? Two's complement of 5 is called what? Minus 5. Every negative number is a two's complement of the given positive number. So if you are BCom student or any student is concerned, today you need to get this concept. Shall we start off? Say last and final. I am writing something like 84. What is the negative number? Minus 84. What is the relation between minus 84? It is the two's complement of what? Come on. Right. You are there, for example. You are most sincere. You are the most sincere. Human being is the most sincere. There is an exact person who is opposite to you. Who is that? Two's complement of the sincere student is nothing but opposite person. Are you following me? So, coming to the proof of it, given number is, I am going to start the things here. What is the given number? Given number. What is the given number is? 11. Given number is 11. And whose binary? And whose binary? What is the binary number of that? 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1. Okay now? 1 0 spaciously I will write it. Spaciously I will write it. 1 0 1 1. Then what I want to find actually? Two's complement you need to find. Two's complement of 11 is equal to one's complement of what? 11 plus 1 you need to say. First you need to get it what? One's complement. One's complement. So I am writing here. Next step. One's complement of what? 11 is equal to one's complement of a number is equal to one's complement of 11 is inverting the bits here itself. Invert the bits. Again you go for what? Inverting. What are the inverting the bits? Come on. 0, 1, 0, 0. It is nothing but what? Inverting the bits. Inverting the bits is nothing but what? Given number is inverting the bits. Is nothing but what here? One's complement here. Then after that, what is happening? Two's complement. Two's complement. What is the formula? Two's complement of 11 is equal to one's complement of what? 11. One's complement of 11. One's complement of 11 plus what? 1. 1 is nothing but what? 0, 0, 0, 1. Tell me, what are the calculation students? What are the calculation students? I say, what are the one's complement? Tell me. 1, 0, What is this now? What is the ones complement? 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 1 plus 1, which can be written as 0. There is no hurry at all, students. 0, 0 plus 1 now. You are adding that. What is that? 0, 0, 0, 1. You add it. This is called a binary addition, we can call. Binary addition. What is the binary addition? 1 minute ma. 0 with 0 is called 0. 1 with 0 is called 1. 0 with 1 is called 1. 1 and 1 is called what? 1 with carry 0. 1 with carry 0. Start with this now. 0, 1. What is that? 1. Next 0. Next 1. Next 0. What is the number here now? Come on. 0, 1, 0, 1. What is this number is called? This is the mechanism of what? This is the mechanism of what? 2's complement of. 2's complement of what? 11. 2's complement of 11 is equal to what? 2's complement of 11 is nothing but what? Minus 11. Is it not similar to that inverting the bits? Are you getting? This is nothing but whatever I got it here, it is equivalent to this place only. Are you getting? So here it is little, what do you call, little confusing for you. But if you do 1 or 2 examples, it will be more easy. Let me take one more example. Try to understand it. Now I'm going to take up. This is one proof. Next I'm going to take it. How you need to take. Last and final. One more example I'm going to take it. Take example. So let us take A is equal to, I'm taking here, A is equal to 4. Next I'm taking B is equal to what? Complement of what? A. Beginning itself, you apply the formula. Even to the interviewer also say the same thing. What is the formula you apply? What is the value coming? Minus, and take the minus y and prove in reverse direction. Now, what is the value of binary number of 4? Quickly. 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the complement of that? Come on. 1, 0, 1, 1. What is this process is called, students? Inverting the bits. Actually, strictly speaking, 4 is called what? 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, right? What is this now? 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. This is called the complete number. But it is always called what? 0, 0, 0s will be there before that or not? All of them will be containing inverting, means it will be done like this. Now coming to the point of it. And this is an answer we got it. Which is the result of what? What is the result of this? This is the result of what? It is the result of what I said. Result of what? Minus 11 I told. How do you know that it is a minus 11? We are applying the formula. What is this now? It is the result of what? It is the result of what? Minus 5. I told please apply the formula. After that, now I am going to introduce the formula. Proof I am going to introduce. Let's start. What is the proof of that? Let us start the discussion. So I'm going to start the discussion. What is the given number? Come on. Given number is equal to 4. What, students? I'm going to take minus 5. What is the number here? 5. What is the 2's complement of 5? Minus 5. What is the number you have? Our number is 4 only. Result I am talking about. Minus 5. How minus 5 is coming? Given number is called what? 5. 5. Come on. Binary form of what? Binary. I am writing here binary form of what? 5 is equal to, come on, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next I will write it here. What is this now? 1's complement. 1's complement of what? 5 is equal to, so I will write it little spaciously. What is the 1's complement? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Next I will say what here? 2's complement of what? 5 is equal to 1's complement plus 1's complement of what? 5 plus what? 1. So is equal to 1's complement of 5. 1's complement of 5. I will write separate line, students. Plus what I will say? 1. 1. Now come down to that. What is the next one? What is the 1's complement of 5, students? Come on, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, which is equal to, yes, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 plus, we will add it. We will add the symbol. What is this now? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. If you add it, what is an answer? Carefully say. What is an answer now? So the answer is called what? 1, 0, 1, 1, which is nothing but what? 2's complement of 5. Is it similar to this also or not? Like this you need to talk. This is called what? 2's complement of 2's complement of 5. 2's complement of 5. 2's complement of 5. Now it is nothing but what is that? Minus 5. I hope another example not required. I hope you understood this. So this also I'll send to you this process. This process I'll send to you in the form of notes. So what is this now? Bitwise complement operator internal flow. Internal flow. I hope you understand. Online students, can you confirm it? Aniket, understood perfectly. Very good. So coming to point back, you understood this kind of process. Okay now? Right. So coming to the point of it. So is asking, one student is asking, Vijay Kumar is asking, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus something is saying that. Vijay Kumar is asking. Some student is asking 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 plus 1. How sorry is asking? How sorry is asking? What I told him? This is called 1's complement of what? 5. To get the 2's complement, what is the formula? 1's complement plus 1 is a formula. So what is this? 1 0 1 0. What is 1? 0 0 0 1. So that I already told you now. Vijay Kumar, I hope you understood, student. So how you are saying 5 minus 5? How I am saying minus 5? I already told in the class. Nadeem Alam. So how I said, I'll open it once again. So because this is a complicated in the sense when we don't listen carefully, it is a problem. So coming to the point of it, A is 0. When I say this, what is happening? Come on, what is this is happening? Take this value, immediately apply the formula. Minus of what? B plus 1. Minus of B plus 1 is nothing but what? 11. From there, I will proceed with the logic. Minus 11 positive number is what? 11 2's complement is called minus 11. This is called reverse engineering, we can call. So, are you following me? Right. Next, go to the point back. Next, I am going to introduce further discussion. I hope Vijay Kumar, you understand this point. Are you able to understand? Now, coming to the point back next, another type of discussion I want to go for it. This is called what operator? Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator we are going to understand here. Like that, one can go for taking any operator and you can apply. Take for example, I took it one answer here. What is that? -101 I took it. This you need to go for what? Forward engineering and then reverse engineering you take it. What is the -101? You need to take what? What is the value you need to take? 100 you take it. 100 you take it. Now for that 100 what you will take? -100 you are taking, right or not? When -100 is coming and that 100 what you are entering, suppose if I enter 99, after that what? 100. If I convert into binary format, a big number will come or not? For that one's complement you will apply, two's complement you will apply, and negative number will come. Directly when negative number is coming, -101 is coming. Internally it is taken as what? You take it as what? 101. You take the binary format, you apply the ones complement, and you apply that plus 1 to it, and it is going to become what? 2's complement. That number will be substituted here, and complement is applicable, and printing that B is nothing but what? 100. So whatever the process I said, you apply for any big number and then try to prove it. Same thing. If I take it as -1, one student asked this. What is the B is equal to complement of A? What is the answer now? Come on. 0. Answer of B is called what? 0. 0. What is this 0? B is the value. What is the value of A is given? -1. What is the value of B? 0. So how this 0 is coming? For 0, what is the ones complement? What is the ones complement? It's nothing but what? 1. Plus 1 you add it. What is happening? 2's complement. What is this now? 0, 0, 0, 1. What is another one? 0, 0, 0, 1. What is an answer? 1, 1 is nothing but 1 with carry 0. What is this 0, 0, 1? It is called 1. 0, 0, 0. This is nothing but not 2. This 0 is remain same 0 only. 0 only. This 1 indicates what? It is a negative number. This is nothing but what? Negative number. So hence it is proved that complement of this B is equal to what? 0. It is proved here. And this 1 indicates that what? It is a negative number sign. So because of it, not only this class, any student will have little doubt about it. Once you try to practice little bit, you'll get the clarity over it. Still, this discussion will come in the further class when I'm coming to the application part. There I will tell you still more clearly for you. Okay, now at this present, try to apply the formula -A+1 you apply. Take that reverse engineering and try to prove it. You take any big number, you take it. -1, 2, 3, 4, you take it. What is the positive number of that? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the 2's complement of it? -1, 2, 3, 4. Take that bits here. Take that bits there and apply what? Invert the bits and it will become what? It will become what? 1, 2, 3, 3 it will become. 1, 2, 3, 3 it will become. What is 1, 2, 3, 3? It is a given number. That is nothing but what? Complement of this number called what? Complement of -1, 2, 3, 4. If I take it 1, 2, 3, 3, complement of 1, 2, 3, 3 is called -1, 2, 3, 4 or not? How you are proving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1's complement, plus 1 you add it, you'll get the answer for this. So little mathematical awareness is required. Still, no doubt in that. 50% of the students is having confusion. When I come to further application part, you will understand this. You see any website, you will not understand a single point because it is going to be reverse engineering process is applied. In further, when I come to application format, you will understand that. Okay now? So now I will go to the further operator. What is the next operator? I'll save this operator. Bitwise complement operator. So bitwise complement operator, I'm saying it. So save it Now I am going to enter into the another operator called what? Bitwise XOR operator. I will go for it. What is bitwise XOR? Let me take up this. Bitwise XOR operator I will take. Here I will take it. Bitwise OR operator I will open and I'll do quickly this part and close this. And I'll go for next operator called bitwise XOR. Observe now. Here I am going to stay. Remove this part of it. Here I am going to introduce bitwise operator number 6. Bitwise XOR I am taking. Symbol is called like this. The functionality of bitwise XOR operator is shown below. And you can understand, not a difficult. What is this XOR operator says? Both the bits are similar. Both the bits are similar. Result is 0. Dissimilar bits of variable and variable 2, then the result is called what? 1. Similar bits are called what? Similar or exclusive, dissimilar or attractive. Similar or what? Reflective, dissimilar or attractive. Same thing. What is an operator here? XOR, exclusive or. Similar bits are exclusive. Exclusive means separate, that is called 0. Different bits are considered, that is called 1. Tell me 0, 1. Quickly. 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0. Are you following? Try to follow the example also, students. Try to follow the example. Go to the place. Now I am saying 1 exclusive OR operator of 0. See that 0 and next is what here? 1 you say. Answer is what? 1. 0 or what? 0 exclusive OR operator. And next is called what? 1 or 1. 1 exclusive OR operator of that. What is that? 0. This is called one fundamental example. Fundamental example. Are you following me? This is one example on it. So done. Next I will take it 0 or and 1 or this one. Next I'll go for next example. Another example I want to go for it. Further examples I am going to take it. Follow me. There I am going to take it. A is equal to 10. B is equal to some 5 I am taking. C is equal to what? A. Exclusive OR operator of what? B. Then convert into what format? Binary. How do you take it? 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0. B value is what? 0, 1, 0, 1. I say C is equal to A cap, A exclusive OR operator of B. Answer me 0, 1. First this one you answer it. What is that? 1. What is this is called? 1. What is this is called? 1. What is this is called? What is an answer? 15. 15 is an answer. Don't apply your own Python knowledge. 10 plus 5 is called 15. Don't try to think about it. And some extra students are there. Extra knowledge students. So C is called what here? 15. Next, another example. A is equal to some 10. B is equal to some 4. C is equal to what? A exclusive OR operator of B. What is the value of 10? 1, 0, 1, 0. What is the B value here? 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the answer now? 0, 1, 1, 1. Are you following? What is this answer? 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. What is the answer? 14. Don't think immediately it is doing addition. Thinking addition? No. A is equal to 9. A is equal to 9. B is equal to what? 8. 8. What is the value of 9? Come on. 1, 0, 0, 1. Next B value. 1, 0, 0, 0. Start. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. What is the answer? Come on. 1. Don't think immediately 17. Here 15 we got it. Here 14 we got it. And here it is called what? Don't say it is 17. What is an answer? Right. See that C is equal to what? A exclusive OR operator of B. B, you say C here. What is the answer now? 1. Getting up? So next is called what, you know? So 4, exclusive OR operator of 4. What is the answer? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Answer is what? 0, 0, 0, 0. Answer is what? 0. Are you following? Don't say 8 to 17 like that. So don't mistake by yourself, students. Coming to the point of it, another example here. So I hope exclusive OR operator we got it. So here done. And let me go for one more special example on this area. So I'll take up this values like this. Next, I'm going to introduce one most important point I want to say. Most important points I'll say. Let us follow me now. Yesterday's class, OR operator gives bitwise union, AND operator gives bitwise intersection. Coming to the next point I am saying A is equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. B is equal to 10, 15, 25, 25. C is equal to what? C is equal to what? A dot symmetric difference of A is equal to A dot symmetric difference, symmetric underscore difference of what? B. What happens? Spelling mistake. So, symmetric difference of what? So, go to the place A dot symmetric difference of what? B. You say this answer. Firstly, if you want A, B and C is equal to A, B and C, T, R. Okay. Now you print off what here? C comma type of C. Already we know symmetric difference or not. Common element is removed. 20, 30, 15, 25 is an answer. Right or not? 15 to these two values plus these two values. Combined thing is coming. Right? Now coming to the point of it. D is equal to A exclusive OR operator of what? B. Last class I was explained already with what? A or B. A ampersand of B I explained. Same type of comparison with A exclusive OR operator B also will be done. Start off. Right. Vinalma Miru Muguru Vinatledu. All you people 3, last 3, which I signed you on your letterhead, right? We can assign just in the one day I signed it. Miru Vinatla class. Today I want to say you beginning of the class. So observing from last 2 days, not listening. Would you like to listen what I am saying? If I ask a question, you will feel it. Otherwise, I will feel it. Because why I feel it, why I am commenting is because I signed on your letterhead saying that you are attending my class, right? Meeke kada sign chesina nenu. Meeru vinali kada class. Sign chese ఎవరికి అయిపోయిందా? వినండి class. కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు అడగాలా? Shall I ask some questions? So, if it is the boys, by this time they are out of the class. So, you are girls, please understand and follow the class. Now, boys, don't feel that sorry is partiality on girls. Right? In my view, all are equal, but some soft corner on girls. Boys, no soft corner, always gun on the head. Firing directly. Now, D is equal to what? A cap B. What is this process will be? Let's start. A. Selection of A. What is happening? A. First, what is selected? 10. What is the selection indicates? 1. 1 with what? 10. 10. 10 or what? 10. That is nothing but what? 1 and 1. What is an answer? 0. What is not selecting? 10 is not selecting. Okay now? So that is marked for not selection. Next, 10 and 15. 10 and 15. What is this? 1 and what? 0. What is that? 1. And it doesn't mean that 10 is selected. Why? Because the operator nature is different. What is an operator nature? What is an operator nature? Exclusive OR. Once it is excluded, strictly saying, that will not be compared with other elements. Let me continue. Next is called what? 10 with what? 25. What is happening? 1 with what? 0. What is this now? Again on that, what will be done, you know? What will be done, you know? Internally, once again, what operator will be applied? Exclusive OR operator will be applied once again. So this entire selection, 1 and 1 is called what? 0. 0. Or 0 with 1 is called 1. 1 and 1 is called what? So this is going to become what? So once this is exclusive OR operator is done, the next continuation process will not be taken place. But why I said you, like yesterday's comparison process to continue, I said the second and third also. But as far as exclusive OR operator is concerned, once 10 and 10 is already excluded, this will not be participating in the further comparison. Excluding means what? Removing. Excluded and taint ma. By leaving it, other comparison will take place. Go to what next? 20. 20 with 10. Excluded or included? Included. 20 exclusive of what? 10. What is this now? 1 or 0. What is that? 1. Next, continued. That process is continued. 20 with what? 15. 1 with what? 0. Also 1. 20 with what? 25. 1 exclusive OR operator of this, also 1. So in all the places it is what? Selected only. So what is selected? 20. 20 will be kept in where? D. Next with what here? 30. 30. 30 with 10. First, 1 and 0. 1. 30 with 15. 1 and 0. 1. 30 with 25. 1 and 0. 1. What is the element selected? Added to what? D. Next, compare the B elements with what? A. 10 and 10. 1 and 1. 0. Next, it is excluded. Excluded means it is went out of the comparison process. So it will come to where? 15. 15 with 10. 15 is called what? 1. 10. 1 and 0. 1. 15 with 20. 1 and 0. 1. 15 with 30. 1 and 0. 1. So what is selected? 15 added to what? D. Next, 25. 1 with 10. 1 and 0. 1. 25 with 20. 1 and 0. 1. 25. 25 with what? 30. 1 and 0. What is also taken? So what are the elements in D? 20, 30, 25, 50. That is the subject. So coming to the point of it, D. So see that same answer is coming or not? What is symmetric difference is nothing but what? Exclusive OR operator is taken place. This is also one special point I want to say. So coming to the point of it. So Sri Chaitanya is saying, how you are taking 20 and 10 is 1 and 0. Because this I explained so many things yesterday onwards, still doubt is there. So it's a helpless now. 20 and 10. This 20 and 10. What is the selection here? 1. And 10 is called what? Not similar, na? 20, 20 and 10. 20 and 10 same, huh? So 20 is a selection criteria 1 and 10 is a comparison with it, which is not similar. It is called 1. KVR with KVR exclusive R of KVR. KVR exclusive R of KVR. It's nothing but what? 0. Are you following? So KVR exclusive R of KVR is called nothing is there. Now, so it is very simple, student. Coming to the point of it, I hope you are understanding. One is with symmetric difference function. One is symmetric difference function. And this is an answer of it. And we got like this. This is one thing. Shall I go for next step? Now, let us go for the next process here. Take care, students. One important point I am writing. What is the value of A? Carefully follow. One important logic I am deriving on the screen. Important. A10 or A, take smaller values. 3 you take it. B value you take. A you take 3. And B you take another variable called B, you take it 4. What is the value of A? I am taking 3. What is the value of B here? 4. Now, I am writing now, careful, A exclusive OR operator of B. Finally, what is the result in AB? You see. What is the value of A here? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Correct? 4 is called what? 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the answer now? 1, 1, 1, 0. Which is called 7 or not? 7. Which I am keeping in where? A. What is the value of A becoming now? 7. I am keeping in A only, modifying. Okay. Next you see carefully. A exclusive OR operator of B. Exclusive OR operator of B. Coming to the point of it. A exclusive OR operator of B. What is the answer of A? What is the answer of A? 7. 0, 1, 1, 1. Next. What is the value of B? 0, 1, 0, 0. Come on now. 1, 1, 0, 0. What is this is now? 3. 3. Which I am keeping into B. What is this 4? Earlier B value here? 4. Now it is replaced with what? 3. If you carefully understand, A value is transferred into B value or not? Yes. Now, A value transferred into where? B. Next, be careful. Next I am writing A cap B. A exclusive OR operator of B. What is the value of A? 0, 1, 1, 1. B value 0, 0, 1, 1. What is B value? 3. What is the answer? 0, 0, 1, 0. Which is called what? 4. Which is the old value of what? B. Which I am keeping in where? A. What is the value of A now? Come on, 4. Is it not called swapping? Swapping. So, this logic is for what purpose? Swapping purpose, which is a very frequently asked questions in written test. Swapping of two numbers. Swapping of two integer values by using what? Bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise what? XOR operator. I already told you A comma B is equal to B comma A. I already told you. Do you remember? This is one operation, student. Keep in mind. Remember it. Next I am going to take it. Another thing. One more logic I want to say. See. What is A value here? 3. What is the B value here? 4. Start B value 4. A value called what? 3. I am doing what? A plus B. What is the value of A plus B? Come on. 7 you are keeping in where? A. So what is the value of A? 7. Next A minus B I am doing. What is the value of A? 7. Minus 4. What is that? 3. Which is the value of what? A. Old value of A. Keep it in where? B. What is this value becomes? 3. Again you do A minus B. What is the value of A? 7 minus 4. 7 minus 3, sorry. How much? 4. Keep it in. 4 is called old value of B or not? Keep it in where? So which is becoming what? This is called another logic with arithmetic operators. Are you okay? Next, one more logic is there. A, B. What is the A, B? This is 3, 4. You say T is equal to A. What is the value of A? Preserving into another variable called what? T. And next A is equal to keep what value? B. What is the value of B? 4. Keeping in where? A. What is this value becomes? 3. And B is supposed to contain old value of A preserved in T or not? T you write it. What is the value of T? 3. Which are keeping in where? What is this now? So I wrote that cross mark symbol wrong. T is equal to A. A value is called what? Kept in where? T. A is equal to what? B. What is the value of this now? 4. And B is equal to what? T. What is the value of T? 3. Which is going to become what? 3. Is it exchanged or not? This is also third logic. Already A comma B is equal to B comma A. That is one logic multi-line assignment. XOR operator is one logic. This is called one more logic. This is called another logic. Totally 4 logics are there. Any one of the logic will be compulsory coming. Right? Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. And one student is asking, and whether they are getting or not, I don't know. One student is asking, see on the screen, minus 20, minus 10, they are asking. Suppose here I have minus 20. I am having minus 10 is there. What is happening? Is all the elements selected or not? So, 20, exclusive OR operator of this. 20 is called what? 1. And what is this now? 0. What is that now? When I am comparing 20 with what? Minus 1. When I am selecting this comparison with minus 10 with 20, minus 10 is called 1 or 0. What is that? 1. Because both of them are different. Different bits are selected. Similar bits are excluded. Simple. So getting unnecessary doubts is not considered. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will interchange two numerical values. So, Balaji is a student. 20 exclusive OR operator of minus 10. I hope Balaji understand. I hope so. Which will swap or interchange two numerical integer values by using bitwise XOR. By using bitwise XOR. Write a Python program which will swap or interchange, which will interchange or swap, anything is okay, two numerical integer values by using bitwise XOR. So how you go about it? On the screen, please, all of you. PyCharm. So there I will take it. So I'll take this now. Close this part of it. Close the project. Now I'll take 6 PM operators. So already operators are available. Take one small function of file name. What is this now? Swap XOR dot what? Py. Dot py. See students, dot py. Come on, accept it. Int of what? Input of enter value of what? A. Enter value of A. Next is called what? What is the next? Enter value of B. Enter value of B. Now I am writing. See students, I'll write something like this. I'll write here, print what? Original value of A is equal to dot format of what? A. Next I am writing original value of B. I am writing here B. I am writing B. Now I am writing swap logic. Shall I write the swapping logic now? Right. Swapping logic with what? Swapping logic with It is a very regularly asking question, student. With what? XOR. With XOR. Tell me, A is equal to A exclusive OR operator of B. B is equal to A exclusive OR operator of B. A is equal to A exclusive OR operator of B. You have seen the flow also. I calculated and I shown. Now I will write it what? Print that same thing. Print the same thing here. Interchanged value of what? Or swapped value of A. I say here swapped value of B. Swapped value of B. Now try to run this code. Enter the value here, students. I say 3 and 4. Got it? 3 and 4, 4 and 3. Next I will do it here. I say next minus 10 and minus 20, students. Got it? Minus 10, minus 20, minus 10, minus 20 and minus 10. Balaji. Balaji. Student name is Balaji. 100 and what? Minus 200. 100 and minus 200. 100 and minus 200 internally converted to binary swapping operation. Everything is taken place. Right? Are you following me? Right. So, like that one can do. Another type of operation I want to do it. Another type of one more logic I want to tell you. So here I am going to write it. Swap with what? Addition. Swap with addition dot py. Same. Swap with add. So I am going to write it. Swap with what? Add. Dot py. XOR అయిపోయింది ఇంకా. ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇంకా? Swap with XOR completed or not? With this. Original value. Swapping logic with what operation? Addition operation. With addition, I am going to take up. What I am going to write it? A plus B. Next is called what? A minus B. Next is called what? A minus B. So, swapped value of A, swapped value of B. Run this now. Say 100 and 200. Answer is like that. See that now. Minus 100, minus 100 and minus 300. Also value is coming. Next I will write it. Minus 100 and some 300. You take that value, whatever you like it. Are you following? Like this, we can enter. So, coming to the point of it, this is by what? Addition. One more logic I want to take, student. What is that? Take the new example, new code you take it. I say here, what is this now? Swap with a third variable dot what? Py. Why this third variable example? Previously, if you see, here how many variables we are using? Only 2 variables. Here also what? 2 variables. Multi-line assignment also 2 variables. Swap with the third variable is comes under 3 variables I am using. Let's take the same example. Here you follow me. Here you follow me. Swapping with what? Third variable. Third variable. So here I am writing. I say T is equal to A is equal to B, A is equal to B, and A is equal to B, and B is equal to what? T you say. Same to same. Here T is called one third party temporary variable. Take any variable, take your own name and then print it. Try to run this code. Same thing you enter. 100 you enter, minus 100 you enter. Same thing is coming like this. You say the value called 300, you say the value called 500. Answer is coming something like this. So how many swapping logics? Multi-line assignment, bitwise XOR, with addition, with a third variable. These many number of logics are there. Any one of the logic is asking, we must be able to write it. I hope you are following, students. Now, I will go to the next operator I am going to introduce. So come to the operators and this one. How many bitwise operators are there? 6. One is bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise OR, bitwise AND, bitwise complement, bitwise XOR. So one student, Balaji, is asking some doubt. We will read out his doubt. Can we swap multiple values at a time? The meaningless. Meaning is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Before passing the doubt, it should have some meaning. So, and don't feel it, because asking doubt is very simple. Why sun rises in the east? Asking simple. How such a big sugarcane cow can eat? So these are all very easy questions to ask. Sugarcane is 10 feet height and a cow is only 5 feet length. How 10 feet length can enter into the... It's very simple to ask, but the genuinity is required for that. Are you following? There is one logic I am going to tell in the further. What is that? In the further, this is meaningless. Can we swap multiple values at a time? This is a meaningless. What is the meaningful answer? I will convert. I will tell you that example in the further. LST is equal to C 1020, 1020, comma, what is that? 30, 40, 30, 40, and 60, 70. Because when we don't have proper understanding, unfortunate doubts will come. Now you see, what this concept is called? First, you think genuinity. Is it possible to swap multiple values? Impossible. If you want to interchange, position must be changed or not? Now you come. Here what I am going to say, 10 will go to the first element, 20 will come to the next. 40 will go to this place and 30 will come here. 70 will come here, 60 will come here. You got it up? One more thing I will tell you in the further. One more thing. Suppose only like this I am having. Only like this I am having. What is this now? This is second tuple should become what? First tuple. First tuple will become what? That is the genuinity doubt. Here I am having more number of tuples are there. 60, 70, 80, 90, 80, 90. Swap this means what? There is no meaning in that. Swapping multiple values, no meaning at all. When you have like that, I told the possibilities of swapping. Did you understand? Yes. So I think Balaji, you might be understanding what I am trying to say. Shall I move forward now? So go to the point back to what? Bitwise operators are completed. Is it understandable now? Let me move to the further called what? Membership operators I will enter. Membership operators I am going to introduce, which is also most important. Mr. Balaji, are you there in the class? Did you understand your doubt in the other way which I said? Respond, my dear student. Now I am entering into what operator? Membership operator. Maybe feeling when I say meaningless. When I say meaningless, you may feel, but whatever is there, I am saying that. Genuinely I am speaking. If you feel it, what I am responsible. Doing wrong means wrong only. Oh, sorry, saying wrong, I will not talk to sir means don't talk. Tomorrow you say in interview, wrong you say, they don't give offer letter. Today only you go for what? Painful doubts, painful answers, rectify by yourself. So that, can we swap multiple values? Not possible. How it is possible? I told the possibilities. Okay, right. Come to back to membership operators I am going to enter. And if the same doubt girls are asking, I'll tell you so softly. Boys are asking so hardly. It's like that only. It's like that only. So come to the point back to, because as on today in information technology, there is no girls and boys difference. Why? Brain is same. And compared to boys' brain, girls' brains are so sharp. Really speaking. That's why government of India also put a marriage ages 18 years for girls and boys 21 years. 21 boys' brain is equal to 18 years girls' brain. No, real. This is a reason, scientific reason. And this is, I'm not saying scientific reasons I'm sharing with. So, you don't feel it, boys don't feel it. Even if you feel also, nothing will happen. Original facts I'm saying. Shall we move forward? Don't tell to anybody this one. Continue on. Right. So membership operators I am going to take up. Online students, are you listening? Now, continue the session. Membership operators I am going to discuss. So when 720, 725, 730, out of 320 students, slowly they will go for what, snack time or sleep time, I don't know. Huh? Bedtime, huh? IPL time, because of IPL, because of this entire thing, it's not going to serve anything for you. If world match is coming, you watch it. IPL, what is there? You are which side? So, okay, students. Okay, let us come to the class. Membership operator, I am going to take it, which is a very important. What is the use of membership operator? For example, you take 295 students are there. Now I am searching. This is my list of names or not? I am searching. Is KVR is a member of my class? Yes, because it's shown. It's shown. It is done. Now I am writing some name. I am writing. I am writing something. Udaya. I am writing some student name. Udaya is there. Is also one member. Is also one member. Next I am writing some name. Satvik. I am writing some name here. Satvik is not a member of my class. That is nothing but what? If I type Satvik there, it is not showing any result. That means it is a member or not a member? Not a member. I am writing Udaya. It's called what? It's a member. It's a member. So to decide whether the value present in an object or not, that time I will go for what? Membership operator. I'll elaborate. Let me continue. Are you a member of my class? Yes. 6 to 8, you are a member of my class. Are you a member in morning 7 o'clock? So member or not a member decided by what operator? Membership operator. One more example. Python. Python. Python is what type of object? str. Containing one value or more than one value? Any object is containing more than one value, that is known as what? Iterable object we can call. First time you are coming across the word called what? Iterable object. Spell out. Iterable object is one, contains how many values? Multiple values. What are the data types comes under iterables? str, bytes, byte array, range, list, set, tuple, frozen set, dict. These are all called what objects? Iterable objects. And very regularly asking question in interviews. And now I am asking that examples I will cover in the class. Now I am asking, Python is containing one letter or more than one letter? Is P present inside of Python? Quickly. Yes. Is K present inside of Python? No. To check whether the value present in iterable object or not, we use which operators? So I am writing the purpose of what operators? Membership operators. Important students, don't leave that, don't go to IPL. The purpose of membership operators is that to check, I am writing, to check whether the specific value, present in where? Iterable object or not. Iterable object or not. Now I am writing what is iterable object here. An iterable object is one. An iterable object is one. Very important. Object is one. Which contains, come on, more number of values. More number of values. Examples are what? In the bracket, examples I am writing. What is the type? Sequence type. Correct? Under sequence type, bytes, byte array, range, str. Next is called what type? List type. Under list type, tuple will come, list will come. Next is which type? Set type. Under that what? Set and frozen set. Next is what? Dict type. Dict type. Are you following? Dict type. Dict type is also called what type? Iterable object only. Are you following me? Examples are this one. So done. Now I am going to say in Python programming, we have two types of which objects? Membership operators. Two types of membership operators. They are, number one is called what? In. Second is what? Not in. Not in. I will explain what is in and not in. I will explain what is in and not in. First, let me take the syntax. Then I'll go for immediately many examples I will cover. So where you can answer some of them, where you cannot answer some of them, and we'll have a lot of discussion here. Second one is not in. Say syntax I am writing, students. Observe it. Come on, value in where? Value in where? Iterable object. Say now, what is in operator doing? In operator. I am writing in operator. In operator. Are you the member of my class now? Yes means what? True. Morning, are you member of my class? No. No means what? False. So in operator returns either true or in operator returns true, provided, come on, provided value present in where? Iterable object. Iterable object. Next I am writing here, in operator returns what? False. In operator returns false, provided value not present in, come on, iterable object. Following? In operator returns false, provided value not present in which object? Iterable object. Opposite to that is what? Not in. Exactly copy. I'll write the opposite things now. Same. Not in. Not in. Come on. Not in returns true, provided value not present in iterable object. Not in operator returns false, provided value present in iterable object. Example, you are not present in morning 7 a.m. Answer, true. You are not present in 6 p.m. Just opposite to that. I hope it is clear. Let me go to the example part now. Start. Example part I am going to start. Students in online, either concept is clear. Either concept is clear. Everybody try to answer it. Now I am going to move to the further. Come on, students. S is equal to Python. Be careful and try to answer. S comma type of what? S. Now done. Now try to answer me. P. First level questions I am asking. First level, second level, third level, fourth level. 4 levels of questions are there. First 2 levels you may answer or not, I don't know. I may give first one is guaranteed you can answer. Second, third, fourth, doubt. Third and fourth, totally doubt. Second, okay, we'll see. P in yes. Quickly. True. Good. First level you can answer. Next, O. O. In yes. Okay. O not in yes. Okay. K in yes. Okay. K not in yes. True. P in yes. Answer. Small p are there. First level only doubtful you are. Intermediate only not passing. IIT exam, how do you pass, students? MSET is there. Small p in yes. What is there? Capital P is there. What is the answer? Yes. Small p not in. Come on. Yes. So first level you passed with 75%. 99%. So you answered small p wrong now. That's why. I expected you will answer, but my expectation is having doubtful about you in the first level only. Now I am coming to second level. Be ready with second level. Online students, did you understand small p concept here? Small p concept, you got it? Now, next one. Ready to answer wrong? Palakanda. Ready to answer wrong? No, no, sir. Desire is very good, but implementation problem. Now, anyhow, first let me start easy questions. PYT, beginning what? One letter I checked. Here what? Substring I am checking. PYT in yes. Answer. Right. Then మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేసే విధంగా ఇస్తున్న క్వశ్చన్స్. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ వేర్ యూ కెన్ ఆన్సర్. I want to make you to answer certain time. Now I am going to take it PYTH, not in yes. Oh, okay. PYT in yes. Come on. Okay. 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 THON. THON, not in yes. Okay. THON in yes. True. Okay. Good. Now this is called what? Second level only. Second level, which is looking like a first level only. Actual my level questions are now I am asking. This is called looking like second level, equal to first level only. Now my questions will come. Coming to the point back. Compulsory you will answer wrong. Testing, huh? Testing. But you should answer it. You should open your mouth. Not opening the mouth is called self-declaring that you are out of the order. Now, PON. PON in yes. Come on. Good. Wrong answer that is. False. And true pakana false untaringa. False. Why PO? P is there, O is there, N is there. But it is not a sequence now. Not a sequence. This is called a second level. Answer is what? Yes. Next. Next. HON in yes. False. True. PON not in yes. Oh. Okay. Are you okay? Can I ask one question? Definitely you will answer wrong. Ready? NOH. NOH in yes. Huh? False. Raise the hand. False. Who is that? False. One. Only one. 2, 3, 4 students only. True. Raise the hands. True, raise the hands. Take your luggage and go to home now. This is called false. NOH in yes. NOH in yes. Do you have NOH in yes? No. It is not there. It is called what? False. Okay. Now I am asking one dangerous question. Ready to answer? Yes. Now I am writing NOH, NOH in, not in yes of, not in yes. True. Are you okay? Next time writing here what? Next time writing here what? PTO, PTO in yes. PTO is not there. Huh? PTO there or not there? There or not there? It is not in sequence. You have to say not in sequence. So it is false or true. Okay. This is called one more second level. Okay. Let me ask one more question. Under second level only. Under second level, much complexities. Definitely will answer wrong. See the questions which I am preparing. So, and when I say like that now, you'll be little alert. That's what I'm saying. Not I'm doing hypnotism on you. And these days, no hypnotism is working on students. They're already mudurs. So, coming to the point of it, Hindi student will ask, sir, what is mudurs? In Telugu called what? They know everything. Come to the point. Come to the point. Coming to what? NOH. NOH in S of colon -1. Come on. True. Are you? Sure. Raise the hands. Hey, one student is suspectingly raising the hand because everybody raising now. If I don't raise, sir may say something. It is correct. Why? Because this is called what? Reverse. In reverse, what is there? NOH is there. When I reverse it, what is this? NOHTP. YP. Is NOH present in that NOH or not? T-shirt student. Red T-shirt with white lines. True or not? Don't. You are correct. You are okay. So your doubt is clarified. Some small doubt is there, right? Clarified? Sit up. So now NOH in yes. Are you okay? Now I am asking one question. See, I am asking PTO. PTO not in S of colon -2. Of colon -2. Huh? And some girls are saying online majority is giving what answer? Answer. So S of colon -2 is what? PTO. PTO not in PTO. Huh? False. Sure. So good. Good. So false. Good and a good. False. Next. PTO. PTO in yes. True. Okay. Understood? Now I am taking OTP not in S of colon -1 of what? -2. Come on. What is an answer now? False or true? Come on. First of all, what is an answer of this? What is this direction, student? Which direction? Reverse now. Reverse means from where it will take. What it is going to be becoming end or not? So that first character to what? Right, last 2 will be coming. What is the answer? Definitely true. True. What is this data becomes? First check cheskandi. Meer adi practice cheyaleda. Of what? -2. What is the answer? Y. Y. Look at. So what is this now? P, Y, T, H, O, N. What is this direction? What is the direction? Minus. Minus means which direction? What is this now? Here I specified what? 1. To where? From here to where? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you say that what? Starting from where? 1. Which direction you said? Back. Back means from here it is going to take what? From here it is starting back. What is this now? End is what? 0. 0 plus 1. 1. 1 means what is taken only? Y. Is OTP in Y? Not in. What is the answer? True. Are you following? So simple, not a difficult at all. Now I am going to say, here I am writing, one more answer I am writing. Now this up to here I will take it. Also comes under what? Also comes under same data. This is the value I am having. So time is running away. Students are prepared for IPL watching. Because of IPL watching, what is there? Tomorrow you will forget. But Python class will not come again, right or not? Next time writing. Next time writing. Next example. LST is equal to, now you will answer, fourth level I am going for, third level. Third level. Row sum. And next is called true, comma, 2 plus 3j. 3 plus 2 plus 3j. Print of what here? LST. Type of what? LST. Be careful. Now I am asking. 10 in LST. Quickly. True. Okay. True in LST. True not in LST. Okay. 2 plus 3j. 2 plus 3j in LST. True. Okay. Now very complicated question. Third level question. ROS in LST. Come on. Huh? False. Raise the hands. False, raise the hands. Okay. True, raise the hands. Okay. So true is wrong answer. Why? Because ROS is not there in these values. You may feel that ROS is there here, but ROS is a subset of what? LST of 1. So what is this now? False. Now I am saying LST of what? 1. What is the LST of 1? Row sum. That row sum contains what value? That time it is called true. Are you following me? Easy? Right. Now I am writing. MUS not in LST of 1 colon minus 1. Come on. False. Good. Following? Right. Very complicated. LST of colon minus 1. LST of colon minus 1 in LST of colon not in. Actually, these many examples I need not to tell you. But and when you go to NASCAM, any bigger companies, this question is mandatory. Come on, answer. Huh? But beginning you said false. You said slowly you are applying the subject. What is this will give you, students? Reverse. In where? This is what? Total. Reverse in LST. Reverse of the element not in original elements. Answer is what? True. Reverse elements not in LST. What is it? True. Next, very complicated. List of 1 not in what is this now? List of 1 in LST. Answer my question. Come on. False or true now? What is an answer because of that? Row sum. Row sum is what? Reverse in total LST. False or true now? False. Why false? Because, yes, last and final. LST of colon minus 1, colon minus 1. Now, one minute, minus 3 colon. Come on. False or true? Huh? False. Some of the girls said, Manakindu sir, even you take care, sir. LST of 1 is what? Rhosum. Rhosum reverse, right or not? Rhosum reverse. LST of minus 3 also rhosum only. Rhosum. Okay. What is this now? Reverse. Rhosum reverse. Again reverse is called what? Rhosum. What is this? Rhosum reverse. Rhosum reverse in rhosum. Come on. False. Are you okay? Fourth level question. Sir, how many questions are there? Fourth level. Compulsory you will answer wrong. 101%. 1000% you want to keep? IPL betting will be there or not? Like that betting in the questions in the class. So, I am going to ask the complicated question. That question was there in the NASCAM MCQ. Right? Coming to the point back, I'm going to say, so go to the place. So here, come to the point back. Here I am going to say, come to the point back. Now, LST you take it once. This is my LST. LST. Ready to answer? Okay. 2 plus 3J in LST. And a preliminary question. Just a sample question. Mock test. Answer. Okay. 2 plus 3J not in. Huh? Okay. Very complicated. 2 in LST of minus 1. Come on. Come on. False. True. Who said true? Raise hands. Answer true. Who said wrong answer? Next. False. Who said false? Please raise the hands. False. Wrong answer. Answer is what? Error. Answer is error. And you are thinking true and false answers only, but you are not thinking about the syntax. LST of minus 1 is called what? 2 plus 3J. It's a complex number. Complex number is a iterable or non-iterable? It is containing single value. It gives you an error. What is that error? Complex is not an iterable. See the answer. Argument type complex is not iterable. It is not an iterable object. How can you check there? Are you following? Can I ask one question? Now I'll ask the question. 3 in LST of minus 1 dot IMAG. Come on. Answer is very good. Raise the hands. Raise the hands. Very good. Good. Wrong answer. False. Raise the hands. Is saying like that. False also wrong answer. Error. Why? LST of minus 1 is what? The same number. Of IMAG is what? 3. 3 in 3. You are saying 3 in where? 3.0 actually. 3.0 is a float now. Is float is what? Iterable or non-iterable? So can't you remember, student? Just now I said that again same mistake you are doing. This is an important. Are you following me? Right. Now I am going to take up. This is done. Last and final. Bags. People are adjusting the bags. Listen the class. Later you can adjust the backs. Listen now. I'll go for the dictionary, student. Dictionary I will explain. So dictionary I will take, students. Look at that. I will take it. Now I am taking D1 is equal to 10 colon Python, 10 colon Python, 20 colon Java, 30 colon what? 30 colon Java, 30 colon what you know, C++, like that I am having. Print of what here? D1 comma, type of D1. See that. Be careful. Direct question. Let me ask a small question. 10 in D1. Answer. True. 10 is there in D1 now. Okay. 30 not in D. Not in D1. 40 in D1. Come on. True. 40 there. 40 లేదు కదమ్మా. 40 is not there. It is called what? False. Now, Python in D1. Come on. True. Raise the hands. False. Raise the hands. True. Raise the hands. Hey, what is that? Error. Error. Raise the hands. Deeniki raise evaru? Because energy is not there in the hand. Simple, student. Look at Python is called what? A value. When you take D1, it gives you only values will be considered, keys will be considered. So, but is the Python is a key? It is a value. Value is always searching in which areas? Keys areas only it will search. Is it there or not there? Not there. It is a false. Important. Now I am writing. Now I am writing Python in D1 of what? 10. D1 of 10. Now it is true. D1 of 10 will give you what? Python. Python in Python. True. Python in Python is true. Did you understand? Right. Now I am writing here. Now I am writing here. What is this now? C++. C++ in D1 dot get of what you know 30. Answer is what? Come on. True. True. Now answer is what? C of this one colon minus 1. I am saying that of what I am writing colon minus 1 not in. Come on. Good. False. Why? This is becoming what? Plus C. What is this is becoming? Plus C. Not in. Actually plus C in plus C. Not in. False. Are you following? If I say in, it will give you what? True. Are you understanding? This is the questions which are coming in the interview point of view. In the NASCAM level, this type of questions will come on membership operator. Is it clear? So membership operator is clear. How many types of membership operators are there? One is in, not in. So this is called a membership operator. Tomorrow class when I come back, now it is 7:54. 7:54, time is becoming more. And here I will go for operators. This is covered here. And tomorrow I will go for identity operators, first half an hour. Then I will go for next what? If-else operator I will introduce. Python does not support unary. Python does not contain this thing. And I will cover what? If-else operator I will cover most important topic tomorrow. Don't miss the class. Okay, students. And today time is over, students. So what is that? Ma Sanskar examples not understand. So these examples are easy or difficult? Easy, not a difficult. So students in the online, these doubts, time is already over almost. Tomorrow I'll clarify the doubts of online students. Right? I'll clarify the doubts and almost examples are very clear. And if you concentrate very well, you can understand. Okay, students, I'll upload the notes and try to attend the class tomorrow without missing. This is time is over. Now this time is 7:55. Tomorrow don't miss it. So thank you. Students, all the best.